Gamber-Johnson has been producing docking stations for the Panasonic Toughbook since its introduction in 1996 to deliver the most rugged solution. Trusted by thousands of police, fire, and other emergency services throughout the public safety market, Gamber-Johnson is proud to present our newest docking station for the brand new Toughbook 40. And are extremely excited to provide this rugged, reliable, and responsive solution to the next generation of fleet vehicles. The Toughbook 40 docking station will be available in both the full and light configurations. The full features full port replication including Ethernet, serial, USB-A, USB-C, and USB-C with DisplayPort, as well as an HDMI output. The light version features all of these minus the HDMI port. This is the first dock released from Gamber-Johnson, which includes the USB-C port replication, as well as a new style of docking connector, which includes a mechanical shutter cover to better protect the connector pins while the computer is undocked. The Vesta 75 mounting pattern makes this dock compatible with all of our other Gamber-Johnson components, so bundle this new build with the console box and motion attachment mongoose for a complete command center solution. Now let's take a look at some of those features a little closer.